Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I'll show you how to change coordinate system of rasters. So for the activity, here we have two raster data, land use land cover of one specific area for 2020 and 2010. Let's see in detail the two raster data, and let's look at the raster data of 2020 land use land cover and click on property. So if we look at the source, you can see here this data is projected having the spatial reference or coordinate system of UTM. Hence, when we look at the data of 2010, this spatial reference is not projected, just having the geographic coordinate system. So we need to have the same projection for both data, mainly for analysis, for whatever analysis we need in ArcGIS. Two data having coordinate system is not used, so we have to have the same coordinate system for both data, especially while we do overlay analysis, while we predict land use land cover of features. We need to have the data having the same coordinate systems. Let's start change the coordinate system of one which having only the geographic coordinate systems. So for that, click on data management tool, then go to the projection and transformation. Under projection and transformation, click on raster. So when you click on raster, you see those tool, then click on project raster. Then insert the inputs. So this one is the inputs and the cover of 2010. That having only geographic coordinate system, the geographic coordinate system here, and we have to also specify output raster data set where to save this data, and also output coordinate system here. And while specifying the spatial reference property, we have to consider the coordinate system that needs to be used based on the study area. So we have to click here on project coordinate system. Let's use UTM, and then WGS. Then since the data is in North Hemisphere, so let's click on North Hemisphere. Then let's look at the UTM zone where our data is specifically located. This data is from UTM zone 38 North. So and click OK. We have to change also this output raster data set location. Let me use the default one and then OK. Okay, good. It is run. So now let's check at the coordinate system of this projected one. Right click here, then property. So now having got the coordinate system, which is UTM 38. So both land use land cover, which is 2010 and 2020, having the same coordinate systems. Now both data having the same coordinate system. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friend.